What's up, you guys? It's Captain Frandy, and currently we got the RX 580 and two GTX 1060s mining away on the same rig. Currently, they're all on different ergos, on different, coins, mining away on BetterHash. As you can see, we're currently mining Beam, Flux, and Ergo. Ergo is making the most monthly, but the cards are pretty much making nothing. So yeah, just a quick update. Pretty sad, but this is how things are going in crypto. No scams, no hacks, no nothing. Just good old-fashioned mining and not making any money doing it. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. As you can see, 3 cards, 2 GTX 1060s, 1 RX 580, and this is the current profitability. Have a great day, you guys. Bye-bye.